What's up guys, work on the updated Kia Sorento continues, and just recently we saw a spy video of the South Korean SUV undergoing pre-production tests with Michigan registration plates and a full-body camouflage. It seems that the automaker is advancing slowly with the development work on the model, and we don't expect to see its debut before the end of this year. However, you don't have to wait until the official premiere to see what the 2024 Sorento will look like. The folks over at Gotcha Cars were kind enough to share this exclusive gallery with us, depicting renderings of the revamped Sorento. While not much can be seen from the earlier spy photos, the front end appears to be completely redesigned with a new radiator grille and vertical headlights. The LED DRL's arrangement is also completely new, and there are additional changes to the lower section of the bumper and the lower grille. New wheel designs and a few smaller tweaks to the exterior trim are also found on these renderings. As far as the rear end is concerned, spy photos have confirmed there won't be major visual changes at the back, but these digital drawings propose new internal graphics for the tail lights. Also, the form of the bumper appears to be unchanged, but there are tweaks to the plastic diffuser. While these renderings give us a basic idea of what the visual changes of the facelifted Sorento could be, we don't know much about its powertrain options. Currently, the SUV is sold in the United States with a range of 4 available engines, with a base naturally aspired 2.5-liter 4-cylinder unit good for 191 horsepower. A turbocharged version of that mill sits above the entry-level offering, producing 281 HP. Two electrified powertrains, a standard hybrid and a plug-in hybrid, both with a displacement of 1.6 liters, are currently available with outputs of 227 HP and 261 HP respectively, and we don't expect big changes on that front. Guys, thanks for watching this video, please subscribe to the channel, see you in the next one, peace out.